Hey guys, my name is Jazz. Now I want to welcome everyone to my brand new page. Now let's get into it. I haven't officially started doing my nails as of yet, but today I've literally received my parcel to start doing my nails, and I did say that I'm going to share my journey with you about everything that I go through as a beginner nail tech. So let me show you what I have in my package. Okay guys, so all this is from Amazon. I will link it if I could, and I'm going to show you everything that you get as a beginner nail tech set. So let me show you. I think I might have broke it, but it's fine. I think it's easy to put it back together. But this is to dry your nails. I bought extra of these because I might run out of them. Now it also comes with the electric nail drill, and it comes with nails. It also comes with 12 different powders. It comes with all the diamantes, all the bits for the design, and also comes with a nail filer thing, I guess, or a brush. I think it's like a nail brush. So that all comes into this little package right here, an all-in-one buffer polish type of bar, the nail clip to chop down the nails, a plastic pump, I guess, to put any of the liquids in, the acrylic solution. Now in this package it has your nail brushes, has the file, and it has also a practiced finger and other bits also in this bag. Now, like I said, it does come with nails, but these are two different types. So I guess this is the pointy, and this is like the normal one where you can cut it down to be pointy or however you want it to be. A bowl, I guess, to put any of the solutions in them. A container that has some more nail art and some nail brushes. Now this is the nail drill that I've already shown, but inside of the box it has the nail heads for the drill itself, and that's at the bottom of the package. Now that is what comes inside of this box. There's the small instruction sheet that shows how to connect the drill and also how to apply the applicator to the nails. So guys, please follow my journey. Like I said, I'm a beginner, like a very start beginner. Never done nails myself before other than just doing the normal polish nails. So we're going to do this together. If you have any helps or tricks that maybe you can show me, but yeah, please follow for more.